Hi everyone, Soto Cat Mania here, and I just wanted to share with you how I put that steampunk art piece together the other day. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this fiber paste, looks like that, slather that on there onto the board, and then I'll pour some of this Mod Podge on that. And then I'm going to add some paper stars that I made that didn't come out puffy like I wanted. And I was wondering what the heck I was going to use those for. Well, now I'll be able to use those stars as a layering. So let's get started on this canvas. I'm going to add the fiber paste first, and then the Mod Podge next. I'm going to add the paper stars that weren't up to puff. It doesn't matter that it's different colors, because we're going to go ahead and color them all the same anyway. I'll go ahead and finish putting the rest of the stars on here, and then let it dry, and then we'll come back. So as I'm looking at the piece, I thought I'd add some of this straw that I made, paper straws. Works out. I think I'll cut a few more pieces right over here and that is. So I have the stars and the straws added. We'll go ahead and let that dry and see what happens next. It's not quite dry, but I'm going to go ahead and add some of this black base paint and then let that dry. I've gone ahead and added some more fiber paste and built it up. So I'm going to go ahead and let that dry, and the piece is calling me and saying we're doing a ocean scene with the mermaid under the sea. We're doing an undersea theme. That's what's calling to me. So we'll see what happens. Hope you follow along. So these are the two colors that I've picked to paint the background with. So I'll go ahead and get started. Paint, add it, now time to blend. So I have the background all painted. Now we'll let that dry. I added a little more color, trimmed down the excess all around. And now to hide the cardboard, I'm going to go ahead and take my handy dandy glue gun and go around the corners and sides and seal it up with the glue gun. So the sides are all done. Finished adding all the layers to the background. And so now I'm going to go ahead and do the mermaid mold. I'll do a video on that. And then the next time you see this, you'll see the mermaid unpainted, and then painted, and then everything in the placement on the canvas. Thanks for supporting me. Let's get this going.